what happens to the ideas that emerge from a university? Ideas can become research. Research can become discoveries. And discoveries can turn into patents, software, and other protect technologies. However, in Brazil, the transfer of these technologies to the market it is still a challenge. Only 12% of intellectual property is licensed in the country. It was to improve the scenario that Unicamp Challenge was created.
Unicamp Challenge is a business model competition that fosters entrepreneurship and encourages the creation of spin-off companies based on technologies from the university. During this initiative, Unicamp's innovation agency and its Science and Technology Park train participants to build business models for technology-based companies. In 15 years, the program has attracted over 3,000 people interested in innovation and entrepreneurship, leading to the creation of at least one company per edition. Participants see the viability of entrepreneurship as a path to transform knowledge into real solutions for society, as the program propels them to create new technology-based companies.
Em 2022 a gente ganhou o desafio Unicamp. Após o prêmio em 2022, em agosto de 2022, a gente fez o nosso CNPJ.
Fui finalista do Desafio Unicamp 2014. Hoje eu sou sócio da Ruby Strauss, uma empresa criada em 2015 que começou com o licenciamento da tecnologia que nós modelamos no desafio.
Since 2020, with a full online model, we've had participants from all regions of the country. Winners receive prizes and a free incubation fee for Unicamp technology-based business incubator, the Unicamp. We encourage Train Connect. And what's more, the program is scalable. Parks, incubators, and innovation ecosystems can adapt the program to their reality.
An idea can impact many people. The challenge is the first step.